How to fix your Apple TV volume keeps going down. So if your volume on your Apple TV keeps doing this, it's usually related to remote interference, audio settings, or connected devices. So the first thing you can check is, of course, make sure your remote itself is not accidentally pressing on the volume down button, since that can happen sometimes. The next thing you can do is to restart your Apple TV. You can do this by force restarting, which is done by pressing the menu button and the home button of your Apple TV remote at the same time. You're gonna have to hold it until your TV screen goes black. You don't have to worry since it's just going for a restart. Another thing you can do is go ahead to your Apple TV settings, navigate yourself there, and then go to remotes and devices. You can try turning it off in these settings, since it can sometimes cause volume conflicts between devices. Another thing you can do is to go back to your settings, and then this time you're gonna have to go to video and audio. You can go ahead to your audio format and try switching it from audio to stereo, since another common cause is audio format or external speakers like soundbars. So you can go ahead and try switching from those to see if it fixes your issue. But those are a few options you can try if your volume keeps going down on your Apple TV. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.